Hey guys, been a while since I've had some EAS content on my channel. However, today we have the National Periodic Test today for 2023. I'm going to be getting the and it's also going to be doing the third wireless emergency alerts test this year, and that'll happen at 2:20. It's 2:15 right now. If I can get it to focus. There we go. 2:15. Right, there we go. So that'll happen in 5 minutes. So yeah, let's get ready. I wonder if this first one will happen at 2:18. Who knows? But yeah, let's wait and. All right, 2:18. Here we go.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Meteorologist McKenna King.
This report is sponsored.
There you have it, guys. That is the National Periodic Test for 2023. Thanks for watching.